So this book and that book are the same. Is in and lower shore, agus and lower shen. Is in and lower shore, agus and lower shen. I think it may be Yunnan, or I don't know what the standard pronunciation is. But in the transactions book that talks about Perthshire Gaelic, I think it was Ain for the same or similar. And I got this sentence from... Where did I get it from? Fachlebek. I got it from Fachlebek. So, Sain and Lower Shore, agus and Lower Shen. Sain and Lower Shore, agus and Lower Shen. So the next one is cockerel. So, Isain and Golach Shore, agus and Golach Shen. Sain and Golach Shore, agus and Golach Shen. B would be Chellen. So, Sain and Jellen Shore, agus and Jellen Shen. Sain and Jellen Shore, agus and Jellen Shen. These words actually I'm getting from Jalu Isfachgal, which is it's a dictionary, but it's it's got illustrations in it. So, next one, ladder. So, Sain and Dard Shaw, agus and Dard Shen. I assume it's Dard and not Anard. I think it's in Dard. So, because the word is Ard, and then I think it's masculine, so it would have a T in front of it. So, and Dard, and Dard. So, Sain and Dard Shaw, agus and Dard Shen. Sain and Dard Shaw, agus and Dard Shen. Next one is, let's see, Choch-clutch. So, Sain and Choch-clutch Shaw, agus and Choch-clutch Shen. So, this chocolate and that chocolate are the same. Sain and Choch-clutch Shaw, agus and Choch-clutch Shen. The next one is, let's see, we can have bottle. In Perthshire, I think it's bottle, and then in standard it might be bottle. So yeah, Sain and bottle shaw, agus and bottle shen. Sain and bottle shaw, agus and bottle shen. The next one is phone, which I think would be Sain and on shaw, agus and on shen. So phone, F with a that in front of it becomes horn or orn, I think. Or becomes, I think it becomes an H sound, so horn. So, and horn shaw. So, Isain and horn shaw, agus and horn shen. Bed sheet is sheet leper or sheet lep. I'm not entirely sure what the pronunciation would be. So I'm just going to go with the standard, which would be sheeta leper. So, Isain and sheeta leper shaw, agus and sheeta leper shen. Isain and sheeta leper shaw, agus and sheeta leper shen. Lebby is bed, so Isain and Lebby shaw, agus and Lebby shen. So this bed and that bed are the same. Sain and Lebby shaw, agus and Lebby shen. And finally, toilet is toilet maybe, or it could be toilet. I'm not entirely sure. It doesn't say, but it is Toileat, which makes me think it's toilet. But anyway, Sain and toilet shaw, agus and toilet shen. Sain and toilet shaw, agus and toilet shen. In Perthshire, to respond to someone that you are middling, so you're doing okay, I guess, you would say niari, so kind of wanting, I suppose. So, for example, the farmer is wanting, you would say han duanach niari, hami niari, I am wanting, I am middling. Hami niari. Let's see. The donkey is middling. Hanasal niari. The sheepdog is middling would be Hangu hurach nieri. Hangu hurach nieri. Let's see. The cow is wanting. Havo nieri. Havo nieri. The bull is wanting, or the bull is middling. Handaru nieri. Handaru nieri. So, the sailor is middling. Hanjoladad nieri. Hanjoladad nieri. So, sholadad, I think it would become anjoladad. Hopefully I'm getting that correct. Anjoladad nieri. So who else do we have in our book here? We have a nurse. So the nurse is middling, would be hambanaltram nieri. Hambanaltram nieri. So in standard, I think they'd say dotter for doctor, but in East Perthshire, it was dochter. So han dochter nieri. Han dochter nieri. The doctor is middling. Han dochter nieri. Next one is a word for sick, which is seich. Seich. I think it might come from English. I'm not entirely sure. It just shows up in the transactions book. So seich for sick. So taking some more words from Jaluas Fachgal, we have the word for a photographer, which is Ferdnan Jalu. Ferdnan Jalu. So the photographer is sick. Ha and Ferdnan Jalu seich. Ha Ferdnan Jalu seich. The groom, so the bride and groom, the groom is Ferdna bench, I believe. So is it Fed? Actually, it could be Ferdna bench. I can't remember exactly. We'll go with bench just to be conservative. And ha Ferdna bench seich. Ha Ferdna bench seich. And the bride, so Ben na bench. So ha Ben na bench seich. Ha Ben na bench seich. Let's see. What other words do we have in here? We have a vet, which is dochtervierchen. Dochtervierchen. So the doctor of animals, or the vet, is sick. Ha and dochtervierchen seich. Han dochtervierchen seich. My son is currently on the balcony playing with the door. Don't know if I really like that idea, but, you know, he seems to be enjoying himself. I'm trying to find some more roles or people. Here we go. So we have butcher, which is fjoladad. 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 So the butcher is sick. Ha and yoladad. I think it's yoladad or fjoladad. Sick. Seich. And yoladad. Seich. I can't remember if it's meant to be yoladad or fjoladad. Fjoladad seich. Actor is klesiche in standard. It might just be klesich in East Perthshire. So ha and glesich seich. Han glesich seich. The painter is sick. Ha and jaluadad seich. Han jaluadad seich. The firefighter is sick. Ha and smaladad seich. Han smaladad. Actually, it'd probably be nasmaladad in East Perthshire. It's not a plural, but before sma, sna, sk, etc., it becomes a na in East Perthshire. So ha nasmaladad seich. Ha nasmaladad seich. Let's see. The astronaut spared. Han spared seich. Han spared seich. Painter is penter. So ha penter seich. Han penter seich. And baker is apparently behged. So ha and behged seich. Han behged seich. I think this one's been a bit rough. My apologies.